Ooh, baby, Monday morning we got some good stuff for you. So for today only, because not even tomorrow, just today, these are going to be $12.99. So these are Alexander Wang, and they're just really lightweight. They're beautiful sweater knits. They're 100% cotton, all except one. Let me show them to you. So here we have the same fabric, but it's 3 different colors. And you can see it's a, it's like a really finely striped or ribbed. It's not really ribbed, but it, anyway, it's really fine. You can see it a little bit better when we get to the cream. But anyway, stretch in both directions, 100% cotton, and beautiful lightweight. And we've got something that we're going to make tomorrow on the webcast. I'm so excited about our webcast tomorrow. Maybe there you can see it's kind of like stripes, tone on tone stripes, but they're not really stripes. They're woven in ribbing, kind of large ribbing. Anyway, again, this beautiful blue, and then maybe you can see the details a little bit better on this cream. But anyway, we're going to talk about fabric pattern combinations and what to make. This one in particular, I made something out of the blue, but you'll see. And then these two, again, these are 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. This has stretch in just one direction. I mean, kind of two, but not as much stretch. It's a solid wine. And then this is I've got this wrapped around, sorry. This is a cotton poly, but it's a real nice ribbing. It's mostly cotton, just got a little bit of poly, but they're coordinates. So shirt and ribbing that you could do something out of. It's just beautiful. These 2 wine colors. All these are 100% cotton. This is a cotton poly. This is a 100% cotton. Now I did this because it blends beautifully to many of these. It's got the colors in there. It's a black, but it's like a Pontoroma, but it's 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. The colors in there are wine and a cream. So you could really go the gray top, you could go any of these. So the whole combination was to kind of pick your combination that you wanted. I'm just really excited about this group. $12.99 for these, you ladies. Oh, just today only. So the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.